Thanks for stopping by to see what I'm up to today. Today, we're going to talk about getting your wires ready for your mobile installation or getting your wires ready for anything ham related. We're going to talk about power poles. Today, I'm out in beautiful Chandler, Arizona. The weather's starting to break. It's warm out here, but it's not ridiculously hot. And I've got these headphones on because they have a mic that'll help me better with this recording. Now, my version of PowerPole, this is just one way. This is just my way. And it's part of the catalog for an easy installation, a mobile installation. And it's something that we can always use in getting wires ready for ham projects. You have already chosen the right size wire to handle the voltage and amperage that you are expecting to handle on the wire. Now it's time to strip the wire. I'm going to use a straight edge. You can use any kind of device. You can use the scissor type, the 2-click trigger type. It doesn't matter. Strip enough wire to fit into the power pole terminal. Then twist the ends of the wire so they do fit. Next, I like to pre-place the power pole terminal into the crimping device hook down. Place the wire into the terminal and squeeze the ratcheting handle. Upon inspection, remember red is right, hook is down. Place a red plastic power pole body on the red wire and terminal. If we look at the power pole body, it has a larger side and a smaller side on the connection end. The smaller side has a tab which is used to grab the hook that is connected to the wire. Tab down on the power pole body and hook down on the power pole terminal. As you place the terminal with the hook into the power pole body, angle it down and push until you get a firm click. Now the hooked terminal on the wire should be firmly seated into the power pole body. Finally, use the raised and recessed portions to hook the two terminal bodies together. See you next time, guys.